Looking for the best and most reliable crossover SUVs available? Let's explore the top small crossover SUVs for 2024 that prioritize reliability, value, efficiency, and safety. Number 9. Subaru Crosstrek. Many benefits of the Crosstrek are also present in the Forester, such as a smooth ride, high owner satisfaction, and an exceptional IIHS safety rating. Being the highest-rated car by Consumer Reports for 2024 speaks volumes about its strong dependability. With Subaru's well-known all-wheel drive system, the Crosstrek has excellent off-road performance, towing capacity, and ground clearance, especially when equipped with the Wilderness package. It is a wise investment because of its great reputation and high demand, which have led to its remarkable resale value. All in all, it's a great decision. Number 8. Mazda CX-30. In the last 10 years, Mazda has become one of the most dependable brands in the business. Their winning approach has been to stick to a high standard of build quality while using straightforward, well-proven drivetrains. Strong performance and increased dependability are provided by the CX-30's well-researched, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine and traditional 6-speed automated gearbox combination. It is among the fastest crossovers in its price category, and is even available with a surprisingly powerful turbocharged engine for those who want more power. The CX-30 has excellent handling as well. Although its cabin isn't the largest, it is exquisitely designed and has an opulent vibe. This SUV is a wonderful option that you truly can't go wrong with, earning a top safety pick from the IIHS and offering excellent overall value for the money. Number 7. 2024 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is renowned for its devoted following and incredibly contented owners. 78% of Forester owners, according to Consumer Reports, said they would buy one again, probably because of the vehicle's well-balanced features, which include a roomy cabin, a capable all-wheel drive system, a comfortable ride, and exceptional dependability. It receives an 82 out of 100 from Consumer Reports and an 8.6 out of 10 from IC Cars for dependability. The IIHS has also awarded the Forester a top safety pick designation. The Forester is an excellent all-around purchase due to its reasonable price and high resale value. Additionally, it will undoubtedly become much more appealing with the remodeled 2025 model, which will soon be offered as a hybrid. If the Forester appeals to you but you don't require as much room, choosing a somewhat smaller model will allow you to save a large sum of money. Number 6. Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V scores an amazing 85 out of 100 in the Consumer Reports assessment, matching the CX-30 in terms of dependability, even if it may not be as svelte or powerful. The HR-V is a very useful little SUV because of its roomy inside, which is where it really shines. Additionally, it has the greatest safety rating, a top safety pick plus, from the IIHS. With pricing, dependability, and practicality all working in its favor, the HR-V is a formidable competitor in the crossover SUV segment. Number 5. Mazda CX-50. The Mazda CX-50 stands out with its sleek design and attention to detail. Although it shares a similar aesthetic with the CX-30, it offers a more robust presence on the road. Both SUVs boast impressive drivetrains featuring a 4-cylinder engine available in naturally aspirated and turbocharged options, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. But what really sets the CX-50 apart is the upcoming hybrid version, which will give eco-conscious drivers an excellent option without sacrificing performance. Mazda is known for delivering remarkable driving pleasure, and the CX-50 is no exception. The steering feels precise, and the ride quality is nothing short of luxurious. Safety is also a top priority, with high safety ratings that make this SUV a reliable choice for families. Number 4. Lexus Nx. This SUV is an excellent option if you're searching for a long-lasting car because it has long been the standard for dependability. In addition, it has an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating and comes with a conventional petrol engine, a hybrid engine, and even a plug-in hybrid. No luxury SUV is cheap, but this one is undoubtedly among the best in its class due to its great resale value and outstanding dependability. But if you don't mind giving up a little luxury, you can save a ton of cash and still get a great SUV. Number 3. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross offers many of the same qualities as other top SUVs on this list. Outstanding reliability, a great safety rating, and a practical, spacious interior for its size. However, where the Corolla Cross truly stands out is in its versatility. You can choose between a conventional engine or a highly efficient hybrid, with the hybrid version being a true gem. It's quieter, smoother, and more powerful, delivering phenomenal fuel economy for an SUV. Plus, it's one of the most affordable hybrids and crossovers you can buy, especially given its generous size and interior space. With its stellar reputation, the Corolla Cross Hybrid also boasts some of the best resale values in the industry, making it a fantastic long-term investment. Whether you're looking for affordability, efficiency, or practicality, this SUV checks all the boxes, making it one of the best choices on the market today. Number 2. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid takes an already outstanding SUV and elevates it even further. While the regular RAV4 is a solid choice with superb reliability, scoring 8.4 out of 10 from IC cars and 84 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, and a top safety pick rating from the IIHS, the hybrid version brings added benefits. It's more fuel-efficient, quieter, and smoother, all while offering more power than its gas-powered counterpart. If you're looking for even more efficiency, there's also a plug-in hybrid version, giving you the flexibility to drive on electric power alone for short distances. Despite these enhancements, the RAV4 Hybrid remains remarkably affordable, making it one of the best values in the hybrid SUV market, especially considering its size and interior space. The hybrid models have among the highest resale values in the industry, reflecting their high demand and proven reliability. Whether you prioritize fuel economy, driving performance, or long-term value, the RAV4 Hybrid is a top contender. It's no surprise that this SUV consistently ranks as one of the best-selling and most recommended vehicles on the market, especially for those looking for a reliable, efficient, and versatile SUV. Number 1. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V Hybrid is a standout in its segment, taking everything that makes the regular CR-V great and amplifying it with hybrid technology. While the gas-powered CR-V is already known for its exceptional reliability, scoring 9 out of 10 from IC cars and 78 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, the hybrid version offers even more benefits. Honda's hybrid system is renowned for its durability, and with no turbochargers or CVT, it's built for long-lasting performance. The hybrid is not only highly fuel-efficient, but it's also quieter, smoother, and more refined on the road. What truly sets the CR-V apart is its spacious and comfortable interior. It's noticeably roomier than many competitors, making it a highly practical choice for families or those who value comfort. Additionally, it's a top safety pick plus according to the IIHS, providing peace of mind with one of the best safety ratings in its class. The CR-V Hybrid also shines in terms of driving dynamics, offering better handling and a more comfortable ride than many other small SUVs. Owners love the CR-V, as it has one of the highest owner satisfaction ratings in the segment, with 71% of buyers willing to purchase another one. Although it's a bit pricier, the CR-V Hybrid delivers excellent value, offering a perfect blend of reliability, efficiency, comfort, and safety, making it a top pick in the hybrid SUV market.